In the heart of Toy City lives the brave rescue truck team.
The rescue truck team was enjoying a peaceful morning.
Suddenly, the emergency alarm sounded. The main bridge was completely broken.
They rushed immediately to the scene.
The school bus was coming in 10 minutes.
The team arrived and saw the massive gap. We need to fix this fast. We need to fix this fast. No. Blue the tow truck spotted the missing support beam. Green the crane knew they needed something strong. Yellow the dump truck remembered a spare steel beam nearby. Yellow raced to the construction yard. He carefully loaded the heavy replacement beam.
Yellow brought the crucial piece back to the bridge.
Green prepared his powerful crane arm. Oh! Blue, the tow truck, secured the cable tightly. Green slowly lifted the heavy steel beam across the gap. The new beam clicked perfectly into place. They quickly secured the new support structure. Just in time, the school bus appeared down the road.
The school bus crossed safely and honked happily.
The team celebrated their successful mission. Teamwork saved the day once again in Toy City.